Hey, good morning everybody. It's Daniel with Renaissance Home Repair and Hauling, and we're doing some baseboard and door trim repairs. I guess the homeowner's dog chewed up the baseboard and the door trims, and there's some damage around the house that needs to be repaired. So that's what I'm doing today. So stay tuned. I have a couple videos for you, and hopefully you enjoy it, and catch you guys later. God bless. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Daniel with Renaissance Home Repair and Hauling. I forgot to take a video at the homeowner's house, so I'm doing one while I'm driving home. I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. This one was, it was fun. I like doing finishing work, you know. It takes longer, but it's satisfying when you see the finished product, you know, how it was before and not how it is now. Anyways, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time, and bye.